Beginner's Boost, Cardio Kickstart for a Healthier You. Hey there, future fitness enthusiasts. I'm here, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're diving into a journey that's perfect for anyone taking their first steps into the world of fitness. Get ready for Beginner's Boost, Cardio Kickstart for a Healthier You. We've all been there, wanting to kickstart our fitness journey, but not sure where to begin. Well, today, we're making it easy, fun, and achievable. No complex moves, no intimidation, just a boost of energy to get you on your way to a healthier you. We're starting with simple yet effective cardio exercises that are perfect for beginners. From brisk marches to easy-to-follow jumping jacks, this routine is designed to get your heart pumping without overwhelming you. It's all about progress, not perfection. This isn't just a workout. It's a celebration of the fact that you've decided to prioritize your health. Each movement is a step toward feeling stronger, more energized, and ready to take on whatever life throws at you. I know starting something new can be challenging, but here's the secret. The hardest part is showing up. You've already done that, and I'm so proud of you. Let's keep this momentum going together. I remember my first workout like it was yesterday. The nerves, the excitement. It's a journey, and the best part is you're in control of it. So, let's celebrate every small victory, every drop of sweat, and every beat of our healthier hearts. If you enjoyed today's cardio kickstart, hit that like button, subscribe for more beginner-friendly workouts, and share this video with someone who's ready to take their first fitness steps. We're building a community of support and encouragement here. Thanks for joining me on your journey to a healthier you. I'm here, and remember, it's not about how fast you go. It's about the progress you make. Until next time, keep moving, keep smiling, and keep boosting that beginner spirit.